In recruiting, create together, win together shines when teams collaborate to attract, assess, and onboard the right talent. This partnership across HR, hiring manager, and team leaders ensures that the process is thorough, inclusive, and aligned with the company culture and goals. In talent management, create together, win together is exemplified as HR leaders and employees work together to develop, retain, and advance talent aligned with the company goals. Such collaboration fosters growth and creates professional growth opportunities through aligned goals, continuous feedback, and team success. The approach nurtures a culture of sharing success and aligning and growing strong teams and a thriving organization.